Hello and welcome back, Stoic Mechanics. 2021 GMC SIERRA. We're gonna be working on how to replace the door checker on the driver door. That's the complaint. Let's get it done. Also, please make sure you have the window all the way up before you do this repair. Okay, for the first step, we're gonna use our tool. I'm gonna start in the front. Okay, for the next step, we're gonna be using, there we go, 7mm. And there are gonna be one bolt right there, two, in the middle, and then at the bottom, two more. After you remove that, you can start pulling on the side, then the bottom, there you go. And then you lift up. Okay, you're gonna remove this one right here by pressing and pulling back, then sideways and up. Okay, then you have the connector. Move it that way, pinch it like that, and then this stays on the truck. Just goes like that. $10mm nuts. And then also this bolt. With our arm, we're gonna put it in here. We're gonna bring it to this area right here. So get it all the way in, and then once you have the checker in this position, make sure it is sideways, because if you try to do it straight, it won't come off. So it has to be a little hard to do it with one hand. It has to be sideways like that. There we go. This is the new one, and this is how you're gonna put it in. That's the orientation. I find it a little bit easier if you have the end part of it straight like this. Okay, so when you're gonna install the checker, make sure you go above this right here. Your hand is gonna follow this one all the way in this area inside the door frame. Because if you go on the lower side, what you're gonna find is that the angle that the checker needs to have to come in the hole is not gonna be a good angle. So you have to be above here. That way you can have a good angle for the hole so it can go in. And this is what I mean. If the checker is like pointing up or down, it won't come in. And remember, it has to be sideways as well. So it's hard to do with one hand, but yeah. So once you have it like that, we're going to install the nuts. sure you don't pushing it too hard. You don't want to push the checker back into the door. And then you can install the bolt. Close the door a little bit so you have enough wiggle room. Okay. There you go. Now we can test it. Oh yeah. Nice and smooth. Hand tight. It's only a little bit. There you go. Now we are gonna close this just the way it was. Reinstall the inner door panel. Make sure you have all the clips where they're supposed to go. We have the blue kind. Okay, and then we should be ready. We're gonna connect the wire connector and the wire cable for the door handle. I'm gonna install it. Make sure this is all the way in this position, all the way up. Align it. All the way up, align it. And once you push it in, it's gonna do that. You lock it into place. And then you move the tab to the locking position. Also, you gotta put it right there. There we go. And then you're gonna grab this one. Let me give you a good view. Put it in there, just like that. Just like that. You pull on it and you swing it this way. So once again, you swing it like that. And you lock it in place. We're trying to get the as you can see, we're trying to get the locking tab in the hole. And we're trying to get it up here. And once we do that, there you go. Make sure you don't forget. Just a matter pushing back up here to align it with the rest of the door. Okay, make sure that around here in this area, there's a big tab. So that one has to line up, and then 3 white ones, they also have to line up. If for some reason you see that nothing's lining up, start over. That way you don't break anything. This one's good to go. We're gonna reinstall the screws. Let's start 2 in the middle. Okay, 2 on the bottom. And the last one on top. Make sure this is working, and you can know by pulling on this. Let's put the cover. And then this one. That goes first on the back. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a like. I really appreciate it. Till next time, Stoic Mechanics.